लाइक
या क्या बोला?
उसके गले में भी लगा, थोड़ा हाइड्रेट हो जाए।
Let's go.
क्योंकि तुम सोने कहाँ पे देते थे?
Yeah, correct.
I tell you.
Yeah, you tell me.
बस रात को जैसे ही नहीं कि ऐसा हुआ कि चलो सोते हैं, एवरीबॉडी मतलब लाशें बन गई थी सारी, और लाशें विद इन 5 मिनट्स एवरीबॉडी लाइक।
मैंने तनु के लिए क्या बोला?
उसके गले में भी लगा, थोड़ा हाइड्रेट हो जाए।
और कौन बोलेगा उसको? जरा जरा
ये दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा, हमें ऑक्सीजन लेके जाना पड़ेगा, दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा।
बहुत पैसा है रितु तेरे
वो
पास।
तो है भाई,
हवाई सुंदरी बन के तू।
दिया सब है।
सब है।
एक ये दोस्त, एक वो दोस्त।
रूबी तेरा इंग्लिश गाना बजा मत अंदर।
अच्छा है ना तेरे पास? बहुत ज्यादा, हाँ, इसलिए इधर नागालैंड में जमीन ही खरीद के रखा है उसने। इधर गरीबी आ रही है इसलिए अटका हुआ है।
But that is on fleek.
तत्पूर्वी वधू आणि वर आपला आशीर्वाद घेणे प्रजापतये नमो नमः। प्रजापतये नमः। पूषाग्ने इदं नमः। शिमेव शिरा भवो। 2 प्रदक्षिणा करा, तिसरी प्रदक्षिणा करायची।
डार्लिंग
The vlogs will be vlogging, no? चल बस। अगली शादी ये लड़की की। Lumi with the Feta. They're checking out the photos. But this beauty right here.
या नाइस।
Guys.
You want to have this?
Let's go, guys.
Again, we are super hungry. Again, super late. But शादी का खाना कौन छोड़ता है? देखो लड़कियों को। How is the food?
It's super yum, but I'm just having the rasmalai for me because that's my
And what about this?
I love whatever it is, but it's nice. It's good. So this is the aftermath of getting ready with 5 other people and the bride. It's still cleaned up, but it's all the mess everywhere. The hair extensions, the bed is so unmade, dupatta there, shoes there, it's all a mess.
क्या?
बनाते क्या आज के दिन बनाते क्या?
I'm taking the video.
बहुत दाम
भरते भरते सबर. That's Makarand. Just doesn't want to come.
क्यों भेजते हो मुझसे? Don't tell me what to do.
You do not tell her what to do.
Or else what?
देख रहा
Are you asking for it?
You're dying for it.
I'll throw this phone.
Which phone is that?
See my picture. It's looking so cute.
Yeah, it is.
I can't.
Which she has told me to. She has told. Which that picture that you just saw, she has forcefully told me to take a screenshot of that picture.
So mean you are. I did not
And
say that.
she liked it and then she kept it on the.
I did not say that.
She kept it on her wallpaper.
Screensaver, yeah.
I did not say that, you know.
I didn't tell the main
I
part.
did not
I
say
did
that.
not
My
tell.
English accent will come out.
I didn't.
धन्यवाद देखने के लिए ये चैनल.
So bags.
All the bags and us. Keep it here only, no?
You will keep it here?
Yeah. Breakfast, more is coming, but for now we have this. Just like Meenu, jhatak patak. The bride is crying. Everyone is crying. Come guys, come. ये हो गई रितु की शादी.
Shirin.
चलो निकलो. जा रहे. निकल.
All right, guys. We have left already. All were crying. Look at them.
I did not cry.
Remove your glasses.
I did not cry.
We had so much fun, but it was such a heavy moment. Abhi, filal, you know, to leave the place because 3 days we were here in the same room every moment with Ritu, and now she's with her husband. We are happy, but we are missing her. But we are more than happy that she is in good hands. Makarand is a fab guy, and but yeah, it was lovely time that we had.
हाँ बोल.
So we have quickly stopped for Nariyal Pani. Everyone is having their Nariyal Panis.
Nariyal water. To be hydrated.
We will be so hydrated by the time we reach the bus stop.
हो गया मैं बोल रहा हूँ. हो ही नहीं रहा था उसका अंकल का बेचारे.
She is ranting about the stall wala bhaiya that he was more intrigued by where she
Darling,
came from.
The song is
तू लूमी तू मत जाएगा.
13, 14.
Let's go.
ऑलमोस्ट बहुत भूख लगी है. हम लोग पुणे पहुंच गए लोनावला से. इट वाज फन.
लोनावला से?
सॉरी गोवा से.
Oh God.
It was fun 3 days. पर अभी बहुत भूख लगी है. I'll catch you up later.
Finally, we have reached and our food has arrived. तनु मिसल पाव और दाबेली क्योंकि दिल्ली में नहीं मिल रहा है. सूरज with his थाली because directly dinner ही हो रहा है. लूमी छोला भटूरा because
I ordered the thali.
अच्छा she is
We are having everything.
okay and let's go.
Guys, here we dropped Shirin. Here we dropped Shirin. Now she is going, and we will head to our place now.
लूमी बाय बाय. बाय बाय तनु. चलो लेट्स गो. बाय बाय. यस यस. फाइनली हम पहुंच गए. मैं पहुंच गई हूँ ऑलमोस्ट 12 घंटे के ट्रैवल के बाद फ्रॉम गोवा टू पुणे. अभी बस घर जाके आराम. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग गाइस. बाय बाय.